welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title above, today I am unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S22 in the color pink. I'm so excited, and yeah, so you guys are gonna see my first impression and I'm gonna unbox this. Very excited, can't wait to see how it looks like. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I've ordered the Samsung Galaxy S22 in the 128 gigabyte in pink. Basically, I ordered it from surprisingly Walmart.ca. Obviously, a lot of you guys probably know, obviously this is a new phone in the market, so it was really hard to get hands on it, to basically buy it. I had to pre-order it because it was literally sold out in all stores. Like Best Buy was sold out. A lot of different stores were sold out of this phone. So sold out in terms of pre-order, because around the time that I got this, it was a pre-order. Anyway, I was able to get it at Walmart.ca after a lot of delays, because I was supposed to get this earlier. After a lot of delays and order updates, they finally were able to deliver this, because it got back ordered. And it was a whole thing. It was a whole thing. Anyways, let's open this and let's see how it looks like. I'm really curious. I've heard a lot of good things about this phone. As you guys know, I'm an iPhone user, but I definitely wanted to check this out just to see, like, what is the hype with these Androids. So yeah, okay, let's open it up. Okay, moment of truth. Let us open it up. Okay. Oh, wow. So that's the box it comes in. And the S is in pink, of course. And then the receipt in here. Okay, this is so exciting. So this is how it looks like. Very, very cute. Very thin box. I don't know why I expected the box to be what's it called, a little bit bigger, but it is pretty small. And the S, like I said, is in pink, because this is the pink Samsung Galaxy S22. So it says right here and everything. So I'm so excited. Let's open this up. So there's some tape in the back here. I'm just gonna open it up. Things. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh my god, it kind of looks like an iPhone. Definitely has the iPhone vibe here. Wow, this is gorgeous. Okay, so this is how it looks like inside its box. It looks so nice and pretty and all that, so I'm so excited. Okay, so let's take it out so we can hold it. So there's a little tab here that you just have to pull. Wow. Oh my god, that is so cute. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is so pretty. It's definitely smaller than my iPhone. There's obviously the bigger size, you can do the plus and so on, but this is so pretty. Wow. And it's not very heavy. It's like a really nice weight, and it feels sturdy. It feels good in the hands. It feels really, really nice. Wow. I really like it. Let's see what else is in the box. What comes in the box here? Okay. Okay, so there is a little, box, and another box inside. It says Samsung on it as well. So let's open that and see what's inside. Okay, I was wondering. I was like, where is the charger? I hope this comes with the charger, because a lot of things now, especially with Apple, they don't come with the charger. So I was really wondering if it would come with one. So obviously this is a C-port charger, and it looks like that. Okay, That's how they have it. Very thin, very lightweight. Obviously it doesn't unfortunately come with the charging cube, and I see that a lot of phones do that now. I'm not really sure why, but you know, you gotta just, you know, go with the flow. So it has a charging cable there, and then another thing that is inside, I'm sure, is the quick start guide. Of course, they always have a nice quick start guide that just shows you how to use the phone. It has French and English because obviously, well, at least I am living in Canada, so we are bilingual, English and French, so they always have to have the manual in English and French. Surprisingly, that is all that is in the box. Okay, the phone and charging cable only. And yeah, okay, wow, this is very pretty. I like it. Let's turn it on. Let's turn it on so that we can just get a feel for it. I think that will be the best thing to do. Yeah, so I see two buttons on the side here. Obviously the camera is there in the back, like that. And yeah, I just want to turn it on. So I'm thinking this is probably volume and this is probably power button. The longer one is usually volume, and then this should be the power button. So let's see, I'm just gonna press that for a little bit to see if it will turn on. Ooh, pretty. Okay, so it just says welcome, and then it has the start, how to start and to get started to set it up. So I'm not gonna set it up right now. I just wanted to unbox it to see how it looks like. Opens up nicely, it works, everything's good. But yeah, so my first impression is that it is gorgeous. It's a gorgeous phone. I love the pink. I wore pink just for this video because I knew the phone would come in pink, and I was very excited to match with that. So yeah, my first impressions is I'm definitely impressed, and it's beautiful right from the box. Feels sturdy, and so on. I just have to, you know, get some time to use it, play around with it, and test it out, test the battery, and then I can come back to you guys with a review of what I think of it after a couple of hours. Okay, DBRIGHT Squad, thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, DBRIGHT Squad. You can hold my eyes. Now let's say you owe me back like you owe your rent. Owe me back like it's money I spent.